going on, everyone? Mike Johnson here. I'm going to be reviewing the Vikingbags Iron Board Blade Sissy Bar. The install for the Sissy Bar took about 10 to 15 minutes, and that's with putting the bags on the bike as well with it. When you're running the Sissy Bar, you do have to keep in mind that you have to add these spacers right here. That way your bags can also fit on the bike and look super flush with it. Right out of the box, I was super impressed with this Sissy Bar. The steel alone, how thick it is, super heavy, super durable, very impressed. Here's a full look walk around on the bike. Everything just seems to flow perfect with this. Kind of gives it that nice old school chopper look, especially adding that extra bit of chrome on there. Not only do I trust this Sissy Bar holding all my luggage, but it's also perfect if you want to throw any one of your helmets on the back, whether you got a passenger, you're riding around town. I've rode around my hometown multiple times with the helmet on the back, not even strapped in, and just the way the Sissy Bar is designed, it holds everything perfect, doesn't move around, doesn't want to jiggle off there. It's perfect.